is the Magic Gamer, and I'm with the Epic Gamer and the Ultra Gamer and
I'm the good gamer. I'm the good gamer.
Yeah, good gamer, and we're gonna do a first challenge. We're gonna be eating a pepper.
This is all of us YouTubers, but because we are like really
And we
friends.
got fruit shoe just in case we need some. So yeah.
So who's gonna
You're
start
going
first?
first. You're going
All
first.
of us start first.
No, one first. One at a
Demon is
time.
first.
Damn, she did it. Damn, see it.
David is first.
You're eating, bro. It's nice. It's nice.
That's hot.
It's hot.
Go. Right, he did it.
I'm not going. I'm not.
He loses. Go.
No, yeah.
The crunchy. Can I see you go?
No, yeah.
I'll go last.
No, I'm going.
Okay.
No,
It's disgusting.
it's so hot.
It's disgusting.
It's hot. No, it was really hot. Guys,
This looks disgusting.
just eat it. Eat it.
This looks disgusting.
It's so chilly.
It's disgusting, Enrico.
No, it's chilly.
Is it crunchy?
No, it's
Yeah.
It's crunchy. It's chilly. Is it chilly?
Oh!
Guys, this is the best gamer for all of those.
Come on, me and you are the champions. Come on.
You said, is it hot? Is it chilly?
Don't spit it out. Good.
Okay. Unless you can ice it. Okay,
Don't
guys.
spit it out. Don't spit it out, please.
Okay, I can't see
Hold
you.
this pepper.
Okay. Guys, this is the last.
Why did I do this?
Come on, win this. Win this with me.
Yeah.
I mean,
Is it hot? I mean, is it chilly?
I'm bleeding.
Is it chilly? Is it chilly?
I had it.
Is it chilly?
I had it.
Is it chilly?
Right, go.
Was it chilly?
I
Go.
had it.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Wait, did I win with you? Because I had it.
You get a half point because you did spit it out. Go. Don't spit it.
And like, if it's a full point, you're excited. It doesn't matter if you spit it out, and if you eat it back, it still counts as a point.
Nah, this is too spicy.
Us we had it.
I'm joking.
I didn't eat mine yet.
Is it spicy? I didn't eat it. Eat it before we're gonna end the video. Is it spicy? How do you think the ghost pepper's gonna be? Don't spit it, don't spit it. High five, we're the winners!
Oh my god!
Peace, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace. Bye. Peace.